Ladies and gentlemen, residents of Rethabiseng, Ekangala, Zetubeni, Sukhulumi and Bronkhorstspruit, colleagues and fellow South Africans, I'm pleased to be here with you today as we launch Action SA national campaign to fix local government from Rethabiseng in the city of Tshwane. This is a campaign rooted in our shared belief that every community, like Rethabiseng to Alexandra, from Ekangala to Tembisa, from Zetubeni to Davidton, deserves dignity, delivery and government that shows up for them. We are here because local government in South Africa is broken, and unless we take drastic action to fix it, South Africa will remain broken too. Across our country, municipalities have become places of despair, hopelessness and pain. In too many communities, people have been forced to live without the most basic services: no electricity, no tap water, no sanitation and no waste removal. Potholes turn roads into obstacle courses. Water taps run dry while leaks gush for weeks. Refuge piles up and streetlights don't work. It is unthinkable that the dignity of residents has become a luxury 31 years into democracy. This is a failure of administration and a betrayal of the very purpose of government. Local government is meant to be the level of government closest to the people, yet in practice it has become the level furthest away from them. Here in the city of Tshwane, the Executive Mayor Dr. Nasipi Moya and the Deputy Mayor Councillor Eugene Modise, with members of the Mayoral Committee, has taken decisive action to stabilize the city's finances, improve service delivery, enhance infrastructure investment, strengthen law enforcement. Significant progress has been made resolving water leaks and potholes, to restoring high-mast streetlights, to tackling illegal connections. Financial recovery is well underway, with increased revenue collection, structured plans to better financial controls and to curb unauthorized and wasteful expenditure. A distant bureaucracy filled with excuses, corruption and cadre deployment. It is the poor, the unemployed and the voiceless who suffer the most. Action SA was formed because we refused to accept this as normal. We were tired of promises, tired of politicians who only arrive during elections, tired of leaders who are only accountable to their party bosses and not to the communities they serve. This is why the campaign is a mission to restore people's faith in the democratic project, to prove that government can work and that it can care for all the people. The following statement by the Executive Mayor of Tshwane, Dr. Nasipi Moya, recently in Alexandra during the launch of Action SA local government awareness campaign, and I quote, "I know how deep the rot runs. When we took office in October 2024, we inherited a city in financial crisis, with services collapsing and community demoralized. Budgets were unfunded, infrastructure was crumbling, trust was gone. But we rolled up our sleeves and got to work. In just over 7 months, we passed the city's first fully funded pro-poor budget in years, which finally put Tshwane on the path of financial recovery. We launched the Tshwane Economic Revitalization Strategy to stimulate growth in tourism, manufacturing, agriculture and township economy, in pursuit of a 3.9% economic growth by 2029. We introduced a plan to settle the 6.7 billion Eskom debt, stabilizing electricity supply and mitigating energy instability to the best of our ability. We restored water supply in places like Hammanskraal, where people had been forced to live without clean water for nearly 2 decades. We have fixed over 20,000 streetlights. We rolled out clean-up campaigns and fixed roads. We took the first real step to reclaim our city from lawlessness, cable theft and illegal land grabs. We also launched Tshwane Imbizo, which gives residents an unmediated voice in governance. Because we believe the people must come first. Let me be clear. We are not claiming perfection. There is a long road ahead. But we are proving every day that where Action SA governs, things can get better. Close quote. And that is why we are launching this campaign nationwide, because Tshwane should not be the exception. Every city and town in South Africa deserves leadership that is ethical, decisive, and accountable. We believe in what we call service deliverism, the simple idea that government must be judged not by what it promises, but by what it delivers. The communities deserve clean, safe streets, functioning clinics, reliable electricity and water, jobs that restore pride, a government that spends money on people, not on perks. We believe in putting power back in the hands of the people where it belongs. So let me say this to the residents of Rethabiseng, Ekangala, Zitubeni, Bronkhorstspruit, and all communities across South Africa. You are not powerless. You have a voice, you have a vote, and you have a choice. If your area is filthy, unsafe, or forgotten, it does not have to stay that way. You can fix it by standing with Action SA. Tell your neighbors about Action SA. Hold leaders to account. Local government is not a sideshow. It is the arena in which service delivery must take center stage. And if we fix it, we can rebuild trust, create jobs, restore dignity, and lay the foundation for a country that works. The city of Tshwane is turning a corner. Let us now turn the country along with us. I thank you.